Here's what we've been waiting on. 2005 Tiffin Motorhome.
A typical motorhome, you're not going to wear them out because they typically don't put enough miles in the year. You go park and you go park. And
I don't know. I looked at one of these.
I'm going to see what he's talking about.
I don't know that that's how it was when we purchased it. And we never pulled out, and I don't know. Yeah. But that's how it was. Okay. Yeah.
I like the one.
And this you can access the
Yeah.
Here's what we've been waiting on. 2005 Tiffin Motorhome Class A, our Phaeton 40-footer here, guys. You talk about a nice outfit here, guys. Said 2 queen pull-out sofas. Kitchen offers GE full-size refrigerator, gas stovetop, convection cooking, full bath with shower, auto search satellite, Panasonic TVs, 2 air conditioners, a new awning, leveling jacks. It's a Freightliner chassis, automatic transmission. It's got 275 ADR 22.5 tires, 10 hours on a generator, I believe. It's showing 81,556 miles when we wrote it up. Now, about 10,000 miles ago, Daryl was coming back from Florida. He had some engine trouble in Tennessee. They tell me he took it to the cat dealer, and they put a new long block in it. They didn't repair, they didn't overhaul. He said they put a new long block in it. I do not have any paperwork to that. I do not have any paperwork to that. That is our best that they have told us. Okay? Beautiful motor home here, guys. We are going to sell the motor home, and you can pick it up Monday when you bring insurance with you. You can pick it up Monday when you bring some insurance. I'm not going to turn that thing loose. So Monday you can come pick it up. We'll meet you, and you can pick it up, but I do want proof of insurance when you drive out the driveway. Fair enough? Nice outfit, guys. Got a good clean title on it here. Title was in Daryl's name. We had it put over into Marcine's name, so we got a title ready to go for you. So Monday afternoon you can be off to wherever you want to go. Very nice machine right here, guys. Cat 350 in it. What a machine, what an outfit right here. All right, any questions on the motor home? All right, take a look right here now. Get on to buy them here, and who get about 75 pound batters on her? At 75 pound there, do you want to buy them in a 75 pound under 75? Who'll get 50? At 50 pound under 50, anybody else in a 50? Here, do you want to buy them here? At 50 pound under 50, anybody else in a 50 pound under 50? Who'll get 50? Who'll get 30? At 30 pound under 30, I got 20. 25 pound under 20, 25, 30. Hit 25 bid, 30 pound under 30, 75. Now 30, now 30 pound under 30, now 30 to 2, 5, 30 bid, 32, 5. At 30 bid, 32 pound under bid, 30 bid, 32, 5 anymore. Now 5, 35, 35, 35, 35. At 32, 5 bid, 35 anymore. 32, 5 bid, 35. Now 75, now 37, 5. At 35 bid, 37, 5 here. Do you want to buy 75? Now 40, now 5 here. At 37, 5 bid, now 40 pound under, now 40 bid, 40, now 40. Mark and Brad, come on back up here. At 37, 5 now 40. At 37, 5 now 40 bid, 40. Anybody else in a 37, 5 now 40? You want to buy them here? At 37, 5 now 40 bid, 40 now 40. You want to buy them here? Now 37, 5 now 40 there. Do you want to buy them here? At 37, 5 bid, 40 now 40. Anybody else in? At 37, 5 bid, you got to be 40 pound under, now 40 here. Do you want to buy them here? Now 37, 5 now bid, 40 now 40 now 40. Okay? We're good to go. 37 pineapple. We said we were going to sell it subject to seller confirmation. Same thing. She's going to be on the road. 37 540. At 37 5 bid. Now 40,000. If you want the motorhome, today's the day. 38,000. Thank you so much. Now 39. 38 39. 38 pound. Now 9 now 9 now 39 now 39 now 39 there. Do you want to buy them here? Now 38 now 9 now 39 now 39 now 39 now 40. 39 now 40 now 40 now 39 pound. Now 40 there. Do you want to buy them here? Now 39 now 40. 39 bid, 40 pound down to 40, bid to 40, bid to 40. Anybody else in a 39 pound down to 40? At 39 bid, 40 pound down to 40. Anybody else in a 39 pound down to 40? Bid to 40. Anybody else in a 40? You want to buy them here? 39 bid, now 40 pound down to now 40 pound down to now 40 pound down to now 40 pound there. Do you want to buy them here? 39 bid, 40 now 40. Anybody else in a 39 now 40 pound down to now 40? All in, all done. You want to do 40? 39 40. Well, thanks for what you done. 39 pound down to now 40 bid to 40. All in, all done. 39 now 40 pound down to now 40 bid to 40 now 40. Sold a motorhome for $39,000. Congratulations.